Hello, excellent music students. Today we're working on Giant Woman by Steven Universe. The song is in the key of F, and I'll put the link down below of the chords that we're using. And it starts with starts in the key of F. Here we go. F, G7, C major 7, E7. Play that again. F, G7, C7, E7. Maybe we play this, I think, 4 times. Then E7. Then the last time we don't do the E7. Now we're in the chorus. B7. Then E minor 7, then G7, and then C major 7. Then B7. And then the E major 7. And let's take it back from the beginning. A little slower. F chord, G7, C major 7, E7, F chord, G7, C major 7, E7, one more time. I think we may as well end in a C. I don't know. I'll have to listen to the music video one more time. Good job, everyone. Keep up the awesome work. Bye-bye.